Hey, it's Mike. Hope you're doing good. I have just a few minutes here to work on the boat, and one of my projects is to sand all the little fillets that we did with the epoxy around the ribs, and it is a pain in the butt. This stuff is hard and it's awkward to get in there by hand. I got a new tool though that seems to be making things really a lot easier. This is the Makita, I think it's 9031. I've got a belt on there with a 120 grit, and let me see if I can show you how this works. Okay, so now I've just finished vacuuming it out, and I'm going to wipe it down with some alcohol. Just kind of get the dust up and maybe any contaminants. Okay, so as you can see, I've taped off, that's where the top of the fiberglass is going to be, and so that way I don't have to worry about any, make it easier to cut it off flush without the epoxy sticking to the wood. I've got two different rolls. They're both the same, fiberglass that I'm going to fill in for this section here, but I've got to do some trimming on it, so this could get a little messy. Okay, so I've got, I don't know, 6-8 ounces of epoxy that'll just get me started. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour some of it right here in the middle. Go ahead and set it over here, and I'm just going to start using this and just spreading it out. And it will make it should get translucent here. Pretty much like, here's the section I already did yesterday. It will, there, you can see how it's already starting to, as it seeps through the fiberglass and turns the glass clear. So I'm going to just continue to keep working the air bubbles out of all the glass or the laminate, and it's a slow process. You just got to keep working from the center out towards the outer edges and push the air out. At that point the glass becomes clear or translucent, and then I'll move on to the next two sections, and then we'll let that set for 24 hours. And then at that point we flip the boat over and we do one single layer of glass on the exterior of it. So that'll be my next video. So if you've enjoyed this one, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and we'll see you at the next one. Thank you.